you ready for this?
Hi everyone, it's that time. It's time to draw a winner for the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes Valentine's Day giveaway. Oh, that's a mouthful. I think I need a drink for that. So you're on first, we're recording it, and I'm also going to be doing it live now on Instagram. So let's have a look. It's 6 o'clock now, so let's have a look at the clock time. Son, can you Blake's recording it for me? Ooh. Or better still on my there you go. So it's now 6 o'clock. So let me see if I've got any more entrants. So let's go into sort by. Newest first. No, everybody's in. Yeah, Blake? No more above there, is there? So everybody is now in. So we've done newest first. If I go back in and show you. So we click on newest first. There's no one else there. So everybody now has got their number to enter the competition. So let's go live on Instagram. So I'll be talking to my phone, which is on this. So bear with me, and then I'll talk to you again at the end. So here we go. If I can remember how to go live. Right, okay. Go live. We're going live. We're checking the connection. Oh, and I need to turn the camera around. I think we're live. Hello? Is there anyone there? 6 o'clock, so a lot of people will still be at work, won't they? Oh, hello, Honeybee Disney. Hi, Linda. Hi, Laura. Oh, my words, everyone's joining. Hi. Hello, Mariah. I am really, really nervous again. I get really nervous doing these live giveaways. Lights, camera, action, yes! I should be singing, shouldn't I? Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, a bibbidi bobbidi boo. Today's the day that I will give it to you. Hi everyone! Is everyone getting excited? We won't have as many people as last time because after all it is a Thursday, it's 6 o'clock, it's lunchtime in Florida, and it's what, 10 AM over in California. Hi Titus Tales, hi! Hi Disney Twins UK! Hi Darren, yay! Darren has an Instagram account today, so everyone should go and follow Darren. Isn't that right, Darren? Hi Sam! We've got up to 17 people. Right, so hi Sarah. So, shall we have a look? See how many people we've actually got in the giveaway contest. It's 1 p.m. here on the East Coast. Still at work, but I wanted to say hey. Oh, thanks Mariah. Hi Natalie. Right, so let's have a look. So here, I'm hoping you can see it. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what? It's a lot easier if I just turn the camera around, isn't it? There you go. So there we go. So here. So our last entrance is entrant number 246. So 246. So everybody has got a number that's been given to them as they've been commenting. So I've got it all here. We've printed everything out. So everyone is on these sheets. If I've missed anyone or I've done it wrong, that's just human error, and I do apologise. I've done my very best as always, but I am human, as we all know. So going all the way through. All the way through. I need one of those water things for my fingers because the paper doesn't want to lick my fingers. The paper doesn't want to flick. So everyone's here. So what we're going to do, oh, if I can do the last page, there we go. So there you go, Live with Roxana Muir is at 246. Okay, you ready? So we're going to have a practice run first of all. So as usual, I've got my trusted iPad here. So as we've gone up to number 246, what I'm going to do on here is I'm going to set it to 500 and we'll go up to 900. So then there's absolutely no way whatsoever that this could have been preset or anything like that. Hi Liz! Right, so let's randomise it. So this will clear any memory. So as you can see, it's drawn us a number between 500 and 999. So we're going to put in tonight's numbers. Now, if until I say go and I count backwards 3, 2, 1, if it produces a number, that won't count. So, because these things can be temperamental. So the first number is number 1. And number 1 is Gina over there. Gina Melissa. And then, I always hate doing that because I always worry it's going to kick up a number for me. Right. My voice is soothing and amazing. Thank you, Liz. I've been told today by Yami that I actually sound like... Do you watch Keeping Up Appearances with Hyacinth Bouquet? So apparently I sound like Patricia Routledge. So, yeah, I don't know about the smooth, soothing bit. So, right, so we got to number 2, 4, 6. So we're going to go over here and enter 2, 4, 6. So that's the last number on there. Okay, Blake, you're my checker. Right, is everybody ready? Are you all ready? Are we ready to rock and roll? Okay, let's count backwards. 3, 2, I can hear the anticipation. 1, go. And the winner is number 134. So let's go on my sheet and find who that is. Nearly there. So it's Apes Yapes. Number 134. There we go, Ape Shapes. And they are the winner. So congratulations. And this little box of goodies that I've already packed up is going to be coming your way. So yeah, that's fantastic. Let's turn the camera back round. Thank you, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget, I'm uploading my video for tonight, but I've got a bit of fun going on tomorrow. We're doing something for comic relief for Red Nose Day, so tune in tomorrow. But thank you, everybody. How wonderful. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. Have a good night, good day. Yeah, so thank you. Take care, everyone. So, yeah, number 134. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye. Yay, so we did it. So, Apes Yapes. My folder's falling on the floor. He's always going to do that. So, number 134, Apes Yapes, you are the winner. So, I will leave a message on YouTube and get you to contact me, and then I'll post this off to you. So, thanks ever so much. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Be good, be kind, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.